Hi, I'm Ben McSheffrey and I'm the Technical Training Manager for Symmons Industries. Today I'll be demonstrating how to install the Allura trim kit with diverter or volume control. It's very simple and the only tool we'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. To install the escutcheon plate, first attach the diverter or volume control lever by snapping it into the notch in the escutcheon. Align the diverter or volume control lever with the receiver on the valve and slide the escutcheon into place so the lever inserts into the valve and the escutcheon sits flush against the wall. Install the two stainless steel screws through the escutcheon and into the tappings on the valve body. Snug them down with the Phillips head screwdriver until the escutcheon makes a tight seal against the wall. Then, snap on the dial that covers the screws and the lever. Next, spin the dome cover onto the valve body by turning clockwise until it stops. Don't over-tighten it, just hand tight is all you need. When you remove the decorative cap from the end of the handle, you'll notice the Phillips head screw inside. Just position the handle to the correct orientation and push it onto the brass valve stem. Tighten the Phillips head screw and finish it off by snapping in the decorative cap. And that's how you install the Symmons Allura trim kit. If you have any questions related to the installation or maintenance of this or any Symmons product, do not hesitate to reach out to our technical support team at 1-800-SYMMONS. On behalf of the entire team here at Symmons, thanks and have a great day.